Anyway, so I thought what I would do is just refer to this Asian Hornet thing, this Asian Hornet watch that I promised I'd tell everybody about or show you. And please, if you see this thing, please can you report it? That's a real one in a bit of perspex, or what's that called, just resin I suppose, isn't it? So it looks like a wasp, but it's got, the most important thing is that it's got yellow legs like that. You can just see yellow legs. So this is what a European hornet looks like. It's yellow predominantly, and this is what an Asian hornet looks like, and it's just got a band, one band of yellow, which you can see on the real thing. I'll hold it up to the light, I think. There, look. That's what she looks like. Okay. See the yellow legs now? Unless we find some really amazing bit of machinery, and I've always thought, I wonder if you could get a camera and a load of lasers that can just pick out an Asian hornet and just go bzz, bzz, you know, and just zap it as it goes into the hive or flies in front of the hive. Then you've got to provide electricity right next to the hive, and maybe you could run them off batteries, maybe you couldn't, but the whole thing's a nightmare. And so this is said creature, Asian hornet, yellow legs from there to there, and a European hornet which is bigger, and then a wasp, and this is the honeybees. So if you've seen the honeybees on the films, you know how big this creature is. It's double the length. So it's quite a big creature. The first thing to do, please, can you take a picture of it? Don't get too close, health and safety and all the rest of it. They have got a nasty stinger. So don't get close, but don't panic. Just take a picture of what you think it is, the best you can. Don't worry if it's wrong. Doesn't matter if you're wrong. I'm wrong all the time. Well, not all the time, but quite a few times. Make a note of your location. Watch and see if you can see where it flies to, and just make a note of that as well. And then there is an Android or Apple app that you can get on your phone if you're fancy, like I've suddenly become with this phone, but before I just had a little Nokia 220 that runs on Steam like I do. And then here are all the details. Alert non-native at ceh.co.uk. If you send them or download the app and send them a picture of what you've seen, they'll give you, within hours, I think, it might be 12 hours, might be 2 or 3 hours, depending on how many people there are there. You know, take a screenshot of that and blow it up. You can find the information on the internet, and then they will send you a positive or negative confirmation of what it is. So they'll let you know whether you've seen a hornet, an Asian hornet, or just an ordinary hornet, or some sort of fly. There are similar creatures that look similar. But yeah, please stay vigilant if this thing gets hold. I think there were only 24 nests in the UK in 2024, and they destroyed all of them. But that doesn't mean that the queens didn't get out to hibernate and they're flying around now. We just don't know. Sort of March, April time, you'll start to see them around. If we can get them while the nest is small, because once they get established, they produce this huge nest up in the trees, and sometimes when the canopies are out, you just can't see it. So I'd be really grateful, and so would every other beekeeper in the country, if you could just keep your eyes peeled for that. And just an add-on to there, if you were only listening rather than watching, it is alert _ non-native at ceh.co.uk. You can send an email with an attached picture or just download the app. Okay, just to clarify that point. Thank you very much.